You've probably done this before. At night, you make the perfect plan. You promise yourself, tomorrow, everything changes. Then a few days later, you've already stopped following it. The problem isn't that you're lazy. It's that most plans are built for your motivated self, not your real self. If you want to finally become someone who follows through, here's how to make plans you'll actually stick to. 1. Start with one goal, not 10. Most people fail before they even begin because they try to improve every part of their life at once. Work out, read, learn a language, wake up at 5, journal, meditate. Your brain doesn't know what deserves attention, so it does nothing. Choose one goal that matters most right now. When that becomes automatic, add the next one. Progress beats overload. 2. Plan for your worst days, not your best. Anyone can follow a plan when they're motivated. The real question is, can you follow it when you're tired, stressed, or busy? If your workout takes 2 hours, you'll skip it. If your study session requires perfect silence, you'll postpone it. Create the smallest version of your habit that you can still do on bad days. Because consistency isn't built on perfect days. It's built on average ones. 3. Decide exactly when and where. I'll study later. I'll work out sometime today. Your brain treats vague plans like optional suggestions. Instead, be specific. I'll study at 7 p.m. at my desk. I'll go for a walk after dinner. The less you have to decide in the moment, the more likely you'll follow through. 4. Stop planning every minute. Many people create schedules that look productive, but leave no room for reality. One unexpected phone call, one delayed bus, one bad mood, and the whole day collapses. Instead, leave empty space between important tasks. A flexible plan survives. A perfect schedule doesn't. 5. Make the first step ridiculously easy. The hardest part of any task is starting, so make the starting point almost effortless. Instead of study for 2 hours, tell yourself, open the book. Instead of write an essay, write one sentence. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. 6. Keep your plans visible. Out of sight often means out of mind. Write your goals where you'll see them every day. Use sticky notes, a calendar, a habit tracker, or your phone wallpaper. Constant reminders keep your priorities alive. 7. Review your plan every week. A plan isn't something you write once. It's something you improve. Every week ask yourself, what's working? What's too difficult? What should I remove? Don't keep following a broken plan just because you spent time making it. Most people don't fail because they make bad plans. They fail because they make plans they can't realistically follow. So stop chasing the perfect plan. Build one that works on your busiest, hardest days. Because in the end, the best plan isn't the most ambitious. It's the one you actually stick to.